Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to use the floating windows on Realme phone. Actually, it's really cool feature from Android, but it could be different if you use Realme, Xiaomi, also Samsung, because it customized by their launcher. Is not by default it available on any latest Android version. So how to doing that? You just press this multitask option on the left bottom, and then after that it will be shown all the multitask application that I opened. And then if I want to make it float windows, so I can click this double dot or triple dot and then click this floating windows. Okay, here will be shown the floating windows. See, it's really good that this browser will be shown while I'm using Instagram, for example. And then here also the tips of these floating windows. I can make it small to sticky on the left. See here my floating windows. Also I can press and hold, and then I can make it disappear, or I can exit it, and then I can make it small like the gesture ball, like an iPhone. And then if you want to remove, you just press uh, and then drag to this X button or X tab. See, now the floating windows is already gone. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. And then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.